So welcome back to my YouTube channel. My name is Yvonne. Thank you for coming back, and let's go straight to the video. Today we are going to talk about my favorite and at least the most what I'm using currently is my face mask, which is a little bit of here and there of DIYs using your home tools, your home grocery as one of your DIY skin face mask. What I use for my skin face mask is oatmeal. Yes, the nice and old oatmeal is one of my favorite home remedy for my skincare. So for this special ingredient called oatmeal, so for this one, first and foremost, you can eat. Second of all, you can drink it. It's food and also a face mask, also like soap. Yes. And oatmeal is very healthy for your skin, and also healthy for your body. It has like zero sugar, zero salt. It's just oatmeal the way it is. So you can add in for your body, for your health, you can add in some salt and some sugar with some milk to add into it. But for your face, the only thing that I add on it is water, because my skin is, I don't know, is it sensitive or just reacts to everything negatively. So I'm trying to use this one to see how my face will react, and so far so good, because as you can see, at least my face is glowing. And the most important thing that oatmeal gives to your skin, it replenishes and repairs all the damages that has been caused on your skin. And it does not strip out any oils. Actually, it just repairs. Like, how good can oatmeal be? You can eat it also, food. But for this one, for me, oatmeal, I've been using it for like, let me say, for like I think for like 2-3 weeks. Yeah, for 2-3 weeks, and so far so good. I used to have like a dark marks on my chin, but currently zimeisha. They have like reduced, not kuisha, they have reduced, and I love it. Yes, I'll say that I love it. Yes, I'm loving it. So for oatmeal, the benefits of oatmeal to your skin, it provides moisture to your skin. It provides moisture for your skin, balances the pH of your skin also, which when if your skin is irritated or mostly sensitive or irritated to anything chemically or the physical ones, you can use oatmeal to repair your skin. Because I'm more on the sensitive, I think I'm sensitive, let's say sensitive, because I can't use lemon on my face, I'll get breakouts. I can't use some tomatoes on my face, I'll get breakouts. I just need something that is so mild, that has no acidity in it, and oatmeal does the job. So for me it's working. Yes, it's very nicely. And because I've just come from washing my face, and I only used like a tiny bit of moisturizer after washing my face. So it's a good thing for you, for me also. So you can try it, and you can let me know down in the description box. No, you can let me know down in the comment section. And also, after trying out, you can DM me in my WhatsApp. It's the same handle as at @ivychick. You can DM me with the pictures and your pastes, and also how it turned out for you. And also one thing, something, yeah, a bit of things about oatmeal is that you can mix it with anything. You can mix it with yogurt, you can mix it with milk, you can mix it with honey, you can mix it with anything that you want. For me, I can't use any of those. I only use water because I don't know what my face wants, so I have to use water and oatmeal only. So for making a paste, you'll have to, like, just a spoonful of oatmeal and half a cup of water you add into it. You'll have to make like a paste until you see the oatmeal milk coming out. Like, it will be something like so creamy. Yes, it will be something creamy and white in color. So you can first what I do is I use the oatmeal milk. I would apply it on my face after cleansing my face with my bar soap, because that is what I use with bar soap. And then after that, I'll just dry out the water, not completely, with a moist damp cloth. So for me, you will have to apply the white and milky consistency on your face first, and then you will go with the crumbs. It's very gentle. You will go in with the crumbs. It's very gentle on your face, which won't cause a harm to your face while scrubbing, which is very gentle to your face, and it makes your skin feel like, I mean, like, if you will touch my face, you feel so like silicone-y kind of feeling. Even after using it, you'll feel some kind of so smooth. Even though with the bumps on, you'll still feel the smoothness on your face. You have to let it sit for like 10 to 5 minutes for it to like do its work on your face. You can wait for like, okay, for how the maximum that I can give the time is like 20 minutes tops for it to dry out. If your face is so dry, you can let it sit for like 20 minutes to really like work on your face, and it lifts off the dead skin cells. So it's very good also for the dry skin types. But also I would like say for those who have severe dry skin, you should try this because it will work wonders. Trust you me, within the first day of using it, you'll see immediate results. This you will have to tell me, because I used it once, and for me I saw results the next morning, because my face was kind of dry on my cheeks, and I don't know why. On my cheeks also, I was kind of also dry, you know. And after using it, ta-da! Oily, as in moist, and it leaves your skin feeling a little bit like plump, you know, like so cheeky, how will I say, plump-ish, and so, you know, like so tender, so soft, feeling so nice without damaging your skin. This is the best home remedy that I will give anyone who is suffering from severe skin damage or dry skin. Because first of all, if you have acne, with acne you are not supposed to like scrub your face. Like, what is required during or when you're suffering from acne is for you don't pop out the pimples and just let them sit, let them be the way they are, unless you have seen your dermatologist or a skin therapist. Then you can use whatever the therapist suggested for your skin. But if you haven't, I will suggest you try and use this oatmeal face mask, because it will really help you. Because your skin, what happens with acne is this, that when the skin acts out is because your skin didn't have enough oil, or whatever you are doing, it was causing more harm to your skin. That's why your pores are very swollen, because of overdoing whatever you are doing to your face, or exposure to external damage basically. So when you're applying oatmeal is very, when I say very gentle, it is very gentle, more than even a wipe. It's very gentle, and also you don't have to like feel all the scratchiness of it, because when you add water or milk or whatever you're going to mix it with, it will really be so soft. So when you're scrubbing your face, it won't have any itchiness after it. And also actually it will protect you against redness of the face. If you have like after sunburns, you should like apply some oatmeal on your face. It will really help, and it will reduce the swellingness of the itchiness or anything that you might be suffering from. Well, it's more like of the traditional skincare that the old women used to do. And since no chemicals, like I've tried quite a couple of skincare and they ain't working for me. So I've found this oatmeal trick, and so far so good for me. And if you have any skin issues, I suggest you also try it, because it will really help you. Trust you me, it will do wonders. It's going to do miracles to your skin by one day. After that, you have to do it for like twice a week if you have severe, if you also suffering from acne, you can try it. Or if you have pimples and rashes, sunburns, you can also use oatmeal face mask. You can use it twice a week. Sorry for repeating. You can use it twice a week or maybe once a week, but for those with severe skin damage, you can use at least 3 times, but don't overdo it, because sometimes overdoing it is also causing more damage to your skin. But if you reduce it, like you might also do it, you might also do it for like maybe twice or maybe once after every 2 weeks to see the difference that it will make. Or you can also use it once a week to see the difference also. But one thing that I've learned with your skin is overdoing it or over applying a lot of skincare on a lot of skin products on your skin causes damage. You might think that you're helping your skin, but in the other hand, you're really not helping your skin. You're really causing more damage. So if you have sunburns and you do all of those, like the Korean 10 steps for like 3 times a week, you're causing more harm to your skin. Because after following all of those 10 you might be following the 10 Korean skincare steps, and you might be causing more harm to your skin. So I will suggest, if you're doing the Korean 10 skincare steps, you do them for like once a week or twice after every, or one, you can do it for like twice or once a month, because you are going to follow, like you're going to do a lot of scrubbing, a lot of washing, a lot of applying, and a lot of removing. So your skin also needs a time to breathe, because maybe you're applying makeup, you're out in the sun, you come back home, you're scrubbing your face, you're going to sleep. All of those things that you're doing to your face is really not helping your skin. You should let your skin to breathe, not only at night when you're going to sleep, also during the day. Like for example, now that I'm in a new skincare step or routine, what I do is I wash my face like regularly, like every day at night only. And I only wash my face with a mild soap, and then after that I apply my my oatmeal face mask for like 10 minutes, and then after that I would wash it off with warm water and let it sit for like, let just my face to breathe for like 20 minutes or 10 minutes, and then apply my Nivea soft face moisturizer. Please leave a comment down below telling me of how, or if you have tried it also, and if not, you can also do it on my Instagram page at Ivy Chick. You can also follow me there, and also don't forget to like, subscribe and comment telling me of how your skin is doing, or if you have any questions about your skin type, or you don't know your skin type, you can let me know down below in the comment section, and I will reach out as soon as possible. And thank you for coming back, and always remember, stay safe and stay home. Bye.